In this session, we are going to look at managing your WordPress updates. For starters, you're going to log into your website, and then we're going to go Dashboard and then Updates. Here you are able to see all your WordPress updates. If you have a main WordPress update for the whole version of WordPress, it'll be shown here. If you have any plugin updates, they'll be shown here. And if your themes have any updates, like mine do, then they'll be shown here. You can either click for each individual update, or you can click Select All, but because I only have one, it'll select all anyway. Once you have selected whatever you want to update, you have to click on Update Themes, or Update Plugins, or Update Version, depending on what you're updating. You'll now see this screen which will tell you what's happening. So here you can see that it is updating the theme Accelerate, which is the theme that I'm using on this website. Once the theme is updated, you can click back on your updates page to see if there's any more updates. If there are no more updates, then you can check again just to be 100% sure. As you can see, there is no more updates. Another way to manage your updates on your websites is to download a plugin. You can simply do this by going to Plugins and Add New. We are now going to search for Update. You can see here there are many plugins to manage updates for you on your website. You can see on the plugin it has the star review, how many active installations, if it is compatible with your version of WordPress, and when it was last updated. We're going to go with this one because it was last updated 2 days ago, but it's up to you with why you pick the plugin. Once the plugin is installed, you click on Activate. Once the plugin is activated, we are going to scroll down and find its settings. Now you can set up all the settings you want for updating your website. If you want to delete the plugin later, then we back to Plugins and Installed Plugins. Now we scroll down until we find the right plugin. Then we click Deactivate, and then we scroll down again and click on the box and then Delete. If you delete the plugin, it will delete all of its data as well. Now that we have deleted our plugins, we can still do updates through Dashboard and Update.